Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I am going to share with you how to make cloud effects in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first open your Photoshop software. Then open your image. Which image do you want to apply or make cloud effects? Select the image, then click on the open. Now create a new layer. Click on the create a new layer. Now select from here foreground color. Select foreground color blue and background color white. Select this layer one, and now this time go to filter, then render, and then click on the clouds. And from the blending option, select normal to multiply. Hold the shift key and transform, resize this image, then press enter. Select this layer one and then click on the mask and select the foreground color black, and make sure to select brush tool and remove the uninspected area from the image. Okay, now this image is completed. You can see the image output. See the output of the image. That is the before image and that is the after image. Select the cloud background layer. Then click on the then hold press Ctrl or Command T. Then you can resize this image as your preferences. Select this mask layer and must be select to foreground color black and background color white, and remove unexpected area. Okay, now this cloud effect is perfect. That is the before image and that is the after image. You can use this process, a cloud effect on your any image, using this process and make cloud effect. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Please share this video with your friends to get more Photoshop tricks and tricks from my channel. Thank you. See you next tutorial.